Join me as I try to capture the stunning beauty of the almond flower blooms in Cyprus before they fade away. Cyprus, a hidden gem in the Mediterranean, is a place known for its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant almond flower blooms that take over the island every year. The almond blossoms have played a huge role in Cypriot culture and history, symbolizing love, fertility, and new life. They're also a big draw for tourists, who flock to the island every year to witness the stunning displays of pink and white blossoms. The blooming season is a joyous time in Cyprus, with festivals and celebrations erupting all over the island. The significance of almond blossoms goes beyond their beauty, though. They're also an important part of Cyprus' agricultural heritage, with the nuts being a staple crop for many local farmers. In fact, the almond is the national tree of Cyprus, and it's hard to imagine the island without it. The blossoms also have a special place in Cypriot folklore, with stories and legends surrounding the tree and its magical powers. The peak of the almond flower season is truly a sight to behold. The trees are loaded with blossoms, and the air is filled with their sweet fragrance. It's like the whole island is celebrating, and it's an experience that's hard to put into words. You simply have to be there to feel it. The joy and excitement are palpable, and it's a time when locals and tourists come together to marvel at the beauty of nature. The beauty of the almond flowers in Cyprus is truly breathtaking. They're a symbol of hope and renewal, and a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural heritage. Thanks for joining me on this journey to capture the stunning beauty of Cyprus almond flower blooms. If you've had a similar experience with almond blossoms, please share it with us in the comments below. And if you want to see more nature-themed content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.